Robert Silver here, and today I want to share one of the toughest camera cases I've ever used. It's the SKB iSeries rolling camera case with ThinkTank designed interior dividers. Now, after a month of working with this case, I want to share some of my favorite features of this bag with all of you. SKB has teamed up with ThinkTank Photo, the premier photo bag and backpack company, to design quality interiors that provide photographers and videographers with the best of both worlds. A soft, adaptable interior case with the unparalleled strength and durability people expect from SKB Cases' versatile, watertight, and airline tough cases. The 3i 2011 7DL features a closed-cell fitted foam liner and 10 ThinkTank designed nylon dividers with heavy-duty hook and loop tabs to create the perfect fit. First and foremost, this case is airline carry-on approved. To make traveling easy, the 7DL case has a rugged pull handle and wheels, making it ready to go wherever you are. Its watertight, dust-proof, injection-molded outer shell allows you to not only keep all your gear safe, but provides you the ability to use it as a box to stand on for creative photography angles or sit during long sessions. To top it off, the outer shell has 2 trigger latches and metal reinforced locking loops. Also included in this case is a lid organizer with laminated clear mesh pockets and a polyester-lined iPad or laptop pocket, which is large enough to hold any laptop up to 15 inches. Ultimately, this case allows you to carry all the necessary gear you'll need safely all in one place. The only downside is the weight of the case when it's fully loaded. Without any gear, it comes in just over 13 pounds. Now that doesn't bother me so much because of all the positive things that I get from using the bag far outweigh the negative. If that wasn't enough, not only are all the SKB cases made in the USA, they all come standard with an unconditional lifetime warranty. You can check out any of their bags for yourself by clicking the link in the description below or by visiting any Mike's Camera locations. If you like this video and you would like to see more, don't forget to hit that like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I'm Robert Silver, and until next time, keep shooting, stay creative.